Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to go over my top 5 Dollar Tree party supplies that I use. To get started, the number 1 is bling wrap. Now I love bling wrap. I use it for so many things in my projects. I decorate my vase jars, I use it for all kinds of centerpieces. I will even use it to wrap boxes to make my own home decor, as you see here. I just wrapped a simple box and added my flowers, and there you go. For my next one, it's chargers. Now I love chargers because they can really decorate your table settings. So at the Dollar Tree, which have great charger options, I use the gold chargers. I use them for holidays, for birthday parties, and I also have the chargers in silver, which they do have the Dollar Tree as well. My number 3 are balloons. Now the Dollar Tree has so many balloon color options that you can just go crazy. I use my balloons to make my balloon stands for my birthday parties or other celebrations. You can mix colors. There are just so many different things that you can do with balloons. And the greatest part is that they are so budget friendly and they just add that vibrant feel to the room. I even use them for balloon garlands to hang on the wall. Fourth are glass jars. Now the Dollar Tree has various jar sizes and I like to use all of them actually because I can do so much with them. I'll take the jars and put bling wrap around them. I'll add flowers inside the jar. I even like to add height to my jars by hot gluing candle holders to the bottom. And as you can see, I just add some flowers to them. I mean, there's so many things that you can do with glass jars. My 5th Dollar Tree item are plastic tablecloths. Now they have so many different colors that you can use, and I will do so many things with these tablecloths. I'll add table runners to them to kind of jazz it up a bit. I like to use multiple colors at once, like in this instance a gender reveal table where I use a pink and blue tablecloth to achieve this look. I will even use them to create backdrops. So I just took various colors and hung them on a background stand to achieve a background for a birthday party, as you see here. Thank you guys so much for watching my top 5 Dollar Tree party supply items. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment, and I will talk to you in the next one. Take care.